Welcome to Max Factory. In today's video, we'll show you how luxury products are made using modern technology and factory processes with synthetic tiger pattern leather. This is the place where a new chapter of innovation, technology, and future design begins, straight from Max Factory's secret lab. The synthetic tiger pattern sheet is now washed using a massive machine, making each layer shinier and stronger. This process increases the strength of the fibers and keeps every stripe in the design bright and realistic. The synthetic tiger skin sheets are washed using high-pressure water jets. At the same time, an antibacterial chemical is sprayed onto the surface. Then the sheets are dried at high temperature in a massive drying system. This fully sets the color, pattern, and thickness. At this stage, the artificial tiger pattern leather is set into large sheets. With high-precision lasers and sensors, each design is individually cut out. Then the entire sheet moves onto a large conveyor belt, where automated cutters and workers cut it into the same size. This gives every piece factory-grade accuracy. Next, these synthetic tiger skins are placed inside a high-temperature chamber, where special technology makes the texture even stronger and smoother. This high-powered laser machine checks the texture, thickness, and pattern alignment of the material and prepares it perfectly for the next cutting stage. In this stage, human skill and machine precision combine to create a flawless shape, the first requirement of a luxury product. At this stage, high-pressure stamping is applied to the synthetic tiger pattern leather. Heat, pressure, and precise machinery together create a premium luxury finish. At this stage, a fine flame treatment is applied to the artificial leather. This enhances the color and increases its durability. This massive roller prints the tiger skin pattern using an automated system, and every layer is checked with millimeter precision to ensure perfect quality. Under the intense pressure and high temperature of this machine, the pattern is permanently set into the material, ensuring flawless quality and texture. This laser cutting machine cuts each piece by millimeter precision, creating a perfect shape. The tiger pattern leather rolls are neatly collected and arranged, making storage and delivery easier. Each roll is counted separately and arranged in the correct section for future processing. The finished leather sheets are now being moved to the packing and transport section, so the next stage of work can begin. Each cut is made in a way that keeps the design intact and maintains professional level quality. Now in the sewing section, each sheet is being precisely cut and stitched to make the design look even more premium. With the help of modern technology, ordinary leather sheets are now being transformed into premium, high-end luxury products. In this stage, the strength and finishing of the leather pieces are refined to make the product durable. Here, skilled workers are making bags from synthetic tiger pattern leather, stitching each part perfectly to ensure a luxury finish. High-quality roller blades are used for cutting, so the texture of the leather stays intact and the pattern remains just as beautiful. A zipper is being attached to the synthetic tiger fur material, forming the main structure of the jacket. Each jacket is checked by hand to ensure the design, color, and style are perfect. With careful attention to detail, the craftsman is stitching the tiger design shoes to make each pair truly premium. Each shoe is inspected by a separate technician to ensure there are no defects or mistakes. Here, the leather strips are being stitched with precision by machine so that every belt maintains the same quality. In the final stage, the synthetic tiger design belt is carefully polished so its luxury gloss and color really stand out. Skilled workers are heat pressing the covers so the gloss and color of the design remain long-lasting. Every phone case arranged on the conveyor belt is checked repeatedly for quality to ensure each one is perfect. Welcome to Tiger Collection. We don't create fashion, we build identity, confidence, and dominance. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.